Hello friends, this is Afif Ali Mursalim, a very proud member of EPS-ELC. I'm in EBAC Public School English Literary Club. Today we, the member of ELC group, are going to experience a great journey by playing with different words of the English vocabulary. But first, let me ask you something interesting. Do you know which are the 7 wonders of the world at present? Don't worry. One of the members of our ELC group will answer the question.
I am Trishan and a member of EPS English Literary Club. Now I will tell you the 7 wonders of the world according to updated list. First one is the Great Wall of China, situated in China. Second one is Chichen Itza, situated in Mexico. Third one is Petra, situated in Jordan.
One is Machu Picchu from Peru. The fifth one is Christ the Redeemer statue from Brazil. The sixth one is Colosseum from Rome, Italy. And final and the 7th wonder of the world is Taj Mahal from India. Thank you for being with us. Have a good day.